Okay, everybody, here we're back again. I survived the first one, barely. And now we're going to do the vertical. Vertical clean line. See, both sides are just basically the same because you're going to do the same. Every time you go this way, you're going to do the little trick. And when you're coming back on your yellow, you're going to do the little trick. It's going to be the same. No, not much at all. Now, the trick is, and everybody asks me, how do you change colors on a chain? It's quite simple. There's 10. There's 10 right there. That's what I need for the first side. And then you just take up your next color, pull that through, tighten it up just a little bit, not much. And see your tail here. Your first chain on the next color is going to be with your tail. That helps tie it in. Then bring up your yarn. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then your 1 to turn. You go back. Let's do it. Let's do 10. Extended crochet. And you'll find out why I do this. See as we go through all this, because it's so much easier to do color changes. So much easier to control. Okay. So we're just doing 10 extended single crochets. Okay. No biggie. Little guy wants to curl. Of course it does. And don't do that. See how bad that is. I won't be using these, so I just want to get through these real quickly to show you how to do this because I put you off for so long. I just feel like poop. Okay, now this is where it comes with a little bit of work, not much. Okay, extend it one more. And see, I have one more crochet right there. Take it in there, pull it up, pull it through. Now this is why we use it extended. We got that tightened now. We're not gonna have to worry about it. Pull that through, tighten it up, get you really good tension in there, and pull your next color up. And here we go. Now, so that looks easy, huh? But I'm sure making a mess of it. Anyway, let's just go through. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Of course it's gonna mess up when I'm trying to show people how to do it. And I know this is kind of a big project too, but I mean, not really a big project, but a big sampler to do, but I think you'll like what we're gonna do with the finished blocks. And you can make these blocks. Okay, try it one more time. My phone went out. Okay, let's get that row over here. I gotta get that real quick for you. Just do your stitches, your 10 stitches over to the next row. Okay, we're getting to our color change, and that's the most important thing on here. And you don't have to do this with just vertical. You'll see that. You'll see that that you can do with any stitch that you want to hide that puzzle look on. Okay, here we are. This is the problem. You go through here, you go up here. This is the way you've been taught to do color change. And this is why I use it to the front, because I can control what it covers. And you go through here, and you go back, and you got that jagged piece right there, that puzzle look. We don't want that. So here's how you do that. You are going to hide that little leggy thing there. So put your hook under there, see, right under that jagged piece. Pull your thread up there. Put your first through. See that? Do you see that? See how that covers that little jagged piece? And then pull your next color up. Pull it through. Jagged piece is gone. Put your hook under there. Go to your next color. You really want to put your hook under that loop. It will hide extra, and it will pull that first stitch completely up. Okay, because I think my phone's going to go out on me, I'm going to show you again. Here we come around with the yellow. See that yellow fella? And here, we're coming up to that color change. See that little jagged leg? I call them legs. I don't know what they are. I call them legs. They're probably posts or something. Put your needle right through the bottom of that. Pull your color up. Pull it right there in front of that. You're hiding those legs right there. Pull it up. And there you go. It's gone. Pull your color through. Go under that loop. See that loop right there? That loop will, if you don't do it, it's going to it will sit there. It'll be okay, but it's not very neat. So just pull that through. Pull this under. Pull it up. See that nice clean line right there. Okay. Let's do another one. And basically that's all you're doing. You should keep practicing and practicing and just knowing to put that hook under that jagged place right there. You want your hook right there. See that? See that jagged? You want your hook right there. Let me get to it. Right there. Not inside here, where you've always been taught to do. No. Let's go hide that jagged look. Pull it there. Pull it up. It's gone. That puzzle is gone. Pull your color through. Go under your loop. Tie that loop right into the next one. That's why I pull my yarn to the back. So when I get back through here, I've got control of what this yarn's going to do. Okay? One more time, then I'm going to go onto the diagonals. But I'm just doing this so I can get these things out to you guys, so you guys can be practicing over the New Year Eve and whatnot. And I got a lot of orders I got to get out. But anyway, here we go. We're back. See that? See that puzzle right there? Put your needle right there. Pull it through. See that? You're pulling up. You're covering that part. That part that wants to stick it out on you. It's gone. And once you get the tension, your lines will look perfect. So, anyway, ladies, there's your vertical look. Vertical, huh? Vertical. No little jaggies. No puzzle looks on either side. Nice and straight. You can do this with every single row. Don't fudge on it. Just use that stitch. Use that method of covering up that jagged little piece, even if it's just one row. Just cover it up. Cover. and you'll see a huge difference in your work. Okay, I'll be back with the diagonals next. Thank you.